You might have seen these kind of car videos. Yeah, so today we're gonna make it, so follow through. First, take the clip, go here in the FX control, and take pen tool, and yeah, you have to mask it. So let's just mask it. So mask is done. So what you got to do next is just make a copy of it like this. Put the mask layer above. In one we have mask, and another we're deleting the mask. Okay, so we are left with something like this. So let's just, so here the brown one is only the car and the blue one is the whole clip. So now you gotta do is mask the whole thing. So let's see what the Premiere has done for us. And now you gotta do is make the mask feather a little bit more. Yep, it's fine. And now what you have to do is copy the brown one. Let's change the color to something like green. Yes, so here the blue one is the whole clip, brown and green one are only the car. So what you're gonna do is we are gonna only animate this one. First nest it. Very nice. And apply offset on it, and you can see the car is moving here. So if I do this, you can see it is moving like this. So what the offset does is it repeats the image after it is gone beyond the screen like this. So what we'll do here is animate it like this. So let's go and start, and the ending keyframe, let's align it with the car itself. Yep, like this. And now we have something like this. And now let's enable the top layer, and it should look something like this. And now what you're going to do is take a blur, directional blur, and apply on the middle layer. Direction of the blur will be 0 degrees. And let's animate the blur amount too. So in the beginning and in the ending it will be 0, and in the middle it will be 31. So it will look something like this. And let's just add a sound. Well, you can add whatever music you want, and yeah, that's it. That's how I do it. And see you in the next one.